worthy of worship except Allah. Ashhadu an la ilaha illallah wa ashhadu anna Muhammadan Rasulullah. I bear witness that there is none worthy of worship except Allah. And I bear witness that Muhammad is his final prophet and messenger. Allahu Akbar, ya Muslim. Welcome to Islam.
Allahu Akbar, mashallah.
Not even out of yet.
Welcome to Islam, brother. Mashallah, congratulations. Mashallah, mashallah.